Most people make a fatal mistake. They buy low, they sell high, and then they lose 37% of their profits in a split second. Why? Because they're playing by the poor man's rules. In the US, by 2026, the tax man is no longer your friend. The IRS is tracking every single move with the new 1099-DA form, yet the top 1% pay almost nothing. They aren't cheating. They're using a tax source code you don't know about. Today, I'm showing you exactly how the whales keep their millions legally. Welcome to the secret tax code of the 1%. The first secret is a glitch. In the stock market, if you sell at a loss just to lower your taxes and buy back immediately, it's illegal. It's called a wash sale. But guess what? In 2026 for crypto, that rule is still a gray area. When the market crashes, the rich don't panic. They celebrate. They sell their positions at a loss, get a massive tax gift from the government to offset their other income, and buy their tokens back 10 seconds later. Same portfolio, but thousands of dollars in taxes wiped out. It's called tax loss harvesting. Here is the golden rule of the ultra-wealthy. Selling is a dirty word. If you sell, you're taxed. If you borrow, you're free. Instead of selling their Ethereum to buy a Lamborghini or a villa in Miami, they use their crypto as collateral. They deposit their tokens, take out a loan in USD, and use that cash. The IRS cannot tax a loan. They wait for the crypto to go up, pay back the interest, and repeat. Zero sales, zero taxes, an empire that grows forever. If you just pulled 100x on an altcoin, you have a target on your back. That's where the CRT comes in, the Charitable Remainder Trust. This is the ultimate move for billionaires. You move your gains into this trust. The trust sells everything at 0% tax. The money is then reinvested cleanly. You get a royal salary every month paid for by your own reinvested profits without ever having paid that 20 or 30% tax hit at the start. The IRS hates this method, but it's 100% legal in the US. Last secret, don't let your exchange choose for you. Most people use first in, first out. That's a rookie mistake. The pros use specific identification or Spec ID. They manually choose to sell the specific tokens they bought at the highest price to shrink their paper profit. It's financial surgery, and it changes everything at the end of the year. Wealth doesn't come from what you make. It comes from what you keep. These strategies are the standard for the top 1% in the US in 2026. If you want to survive in this game, you have to learn their rules. Disclaimer, I am not your tax advisor. The IRS is ruthless. But if you want to understand how to structure your portfolio like a whale, hit that subscribe button. The next cycle is coming and you don't want to spend it funding the government.